We're doing the front trims on the G87 now. Once you've got the old one removed, which does require full bumper removal, I'm just going to pull them to the side here so I can make a transfer over where the sensor is. Sensor is pretty simple. I just go in with a trim tool, I peel back the tabs, and it pops right out. You can go ahead and put that back wherever you need it, and then go ahead and put the sensor into the new receptacle, which is built into the carbon fiber piece. Might take you a couple times. You do want to make sure that the rubber gasket on it is evenly inserted. So making sure that clears all edges on the front side before clipping it into place. Take a little trim tool to help me out a little bit. Like I said, it might take you 1 or 2 tries because you want it to look good. That's why we're doing it. There we go. Cool, all clipped in. She's ready for install. So when installing this, it's going to be secured using adhesive tape, which is already pre-installed on the piece itself. 1 on each side, 4 pieces of tape. And it looks like it's going to be about a 1/2 inch from this body line here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean these surfaces with alcohol, and then once that's dry, I'm going to go ahead and prep it with adhesion promoter. Yep, just falls right into place. Go ahead and make sure to put pressure on all 4 sides so that tape can grab. And that's it. And then come on here to the back side. Just gonna roll this up. Now that it's in place, you can go ahead and clip the sensor back in. Clip, clip. She's good to go.